You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to check out a product from Orb called Flowtonia. And thanks to them for sending this to me to show you on video today. Now, I was looking at the packaging, and I kind of get it here. These are like fingers that have pulled the Flowtonia up. So you just see the tops of the knuckles. Let's check out the rest of the packaging, ages 5+. They sent me neon purple and neon blue. Right here it says, feels silky smooth, sweet scent, mold and stretch. And then, what does it say? Play and store. So it's a container as well. Forms and flows. All right, lots going on there. Forms and flows. Nice color change to the back there. Let's see. Pretty much the same stuff. It says scented, forms and flows, sparkly. That's a new one there. And then keep stored in sealed container. Well, how about we check them out? Both colors right now. It's been a while since I've actually done any kind of sensory products like this. So when they sent this to me, I thought, yeah, this would be fun to put on a video. I've been doing all kinds of slimes, putties, and stuff for years and years and years. And I'm coming up to my 10-year anniversary in March. I've got nothing planned. Ooh, there you go. Okay, so that has that same shape of the front packaging. And then there's a seal on it. Ooh, it does have a fun scent. It almost smells sweet with a little hint of perfume. All in one. Okay, here is this one. Oh, here's a little hand. Here, we'll put that in there. Look at that. It's a hand, and there's the bottom. This was on the bottom of the hand, so... Oh, no, it went this way. There you go. Double sealed. Is it the same scent? Yes. So it's not a unique scent. Let me get my other little fingers in there. I think that's kind of funny. That'd be a funny thumbnail. Hey, thumbnails. There is no thumb. It's a 4-finger person. Let me zoom in and see if I can make that the thumbnail. You will see it. Well, you probably already saw it when you clicked on the video, but I switched them around. Little color difference there, huh? All right, let's take this out. Let's take this out. Let me just plop them out. So they are holding the shape of these containers. Let me grab it. Now, the scent is pretty strong. Now, normally I am scent intolerant. It's not affecting me right away. Oh, I like the consistency of this. Some of these, they don't stretch like this. It has a foamy-like consistency to it. I like it. Let's see if it gets on my hands. So I do feel like there's glitter on my hands. So the glitter will come out. It's almost like a bubble gum almost. That's what it feels like. Like a chewed piece of gum. Now it's a little chilly in here, so it's got a cool feeling to it, which I like. Let's just stretch it out. Wow, it stretches really nice. So you get that interesting stretchy kind of effect to it. Let me just keep playing. So will it hold its shape? Let's just see. Let's make it into something that will stand there. And let's see if that stays while I check out the next color. Yeah, it is perfumey. Ooh, that one ripped. Does it cut? Let's see how nice it cuts. Ooh. Oh, nice. Cuts with scissors real nice. Let's try my little tool. It doesn't cut as nice as a sand, but listen. You hear it. All right, let's just take two colors, right? Let's just take one of each. A little bit. It's holding its shape, so. And then let's see if we mix a little of this with the purple, how it mixes. Ooh, it mixes really nice. A little more. Very pretty color combo. It's gonna make a nice something or other. Almost like a lavender. Okay, overall feel, I like it. Overall smell, it might be a tad strong if you don't like perfumey smells. Now, normally I would get a headache, but I'm not. So it's not that overpowering for me, but it's right at that point. Now look at the pretty color I made. See, I made a brand new color. All right, let me just keep playing here. Let me put my fingers on this here. You watch my little fingertip there. Maybe I'll retake that thumbnail like this. I'll do it like this. Oh, you always got to think about that. What are you going to use for the thumbnail? That's kind of what I might use. Look at that. People will think it's my hands. Like if I cropped it right at the top like that. Snap the picture. I'll do it right now. Photo. This video camera lets me take a quick 4K photo. So it's super, super high resolution. Let's just see how stretchy we can stretch it. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been able to do anything of a putty or a slime. And my 10-year anniversary is coming up in March. And I think my first putty videos were back in 2000, way in the first, not the first year, not the second year, the third year, probably. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. See what I'm saying about that? Look at it. It's like a spider web. Ooh, I made my own spider web. Let me cut some more. Little nuggets. Watch your fingers. Careful. Let's stretch this one out real thin like I did that one. Look at that. It's like a really fine spider web kind of consistency. I need to get some bigger scissors so I can make one complete cut. Okay, so again, there is sparkle on my hand. There is scent on my hand too. So the scent will transfer to your hand. Let's do that again. But I think this color is a better color for the netting. But can you see the sparkles in there? Let me just give you a really close shot there. And I'll try to zoom in editing real tight. Let me do a quick stop here so I know. Okay. So I stopped and started the camera. Let's go back to this one. Let me get you right in there. Right on top. There. Watch. Isn't that cool? It's almost like art. Now that reminds me of like magnets when you have the iron shavings, you know, and you take a magnet and pull the magnet through. How about this little piece? What is this color? I like it. I have to say, it's different than what I've had in the past, because I've had all different kinds. It's a little, I want to say, almost more like a dense putty, but it's got a really nice foamy feel to it. Let's just do it like this. Here we go. You ready? And the scent is perfumey. It's almost like a sweet perfumey. So there you go. There's the two colors they sent me. The neon blue and the neon pink. Is that what it was? Neon purple. Now one would question, which is purple? And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun showing this to you. If you've been enjoying all the sets and stuff I've been doing, there's some interesting stuff on the way. But I gotta mix it up a little bit. Kind of still show new products like this. And that's it. And thanks for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, parents, about this product, please contact me in the description, in the comment area, or visit my website. Now, which color do you like the best? Let me know. I'll get my fingers back in there. And for those of you that are continuing to watch my videos, I really appreciate it. It helps me out tremendously because I enjoy making them. I love showing you new products. And I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it to that March 10-year anniversary. Hope you're all there with me. I don't know what's going to happen yet, but I do appreciate all the support. And thanks for watching today. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.